Hi there. Here we got our 3D printed fishing reel. It's a little bearing that goes on here. This acts as the drag clicker and a little bit of a stopping mechanism for the anti-reverse. And then we have our spool here, with a little knob and twists. Put this handle and spool over that center-piece, and then we have our line that is connected through the little eye hole. Snap on the top part. Clutch button, if I hold it down, it releases the spool. If I let go of it, it tightens up, and that's just the anti-reverse. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now we have everything set up. We got some split shots here, 10 mosquito hook, 3D printed fishing reel, split shot, mosquito hook, shrimp. We got a half moon on the 3D printed rig. Let's get him back. Thank you. Fish. See you later, buddy. 3D printed fishing. It works.